According to Cognitive Market Research, the global automobile seatbelt market is $14,951.2 million in 2023 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 5.5% from 2023 to 2030. Market drivers: advancements in seatbelt technology are driving the growth of the market. Market restraints, balancing cost and quality hinders market growth. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting Sample Page's latest published market research copy.